smooth entry, yeah. You're actually, let me see here, you're actually good to go. Enter on track. So head straight here. Yes, upshift 1. Stay here to the right. We got one guy coming up. Upshift again. So here he goes. Upshift again. There's actually 2 of them. Okay, so now here, just release the gas a bit. Brake a little, because this is an instructor driving. He's got priority. All right, downshift 1. Okay, so now, yes, from here, go get the apex on the right. Now look for the next green. Go and connect it. Smooth throttle here. Yes, keep it going to the outside. And now brake. Stay here. Hold the brakes. Wait for the second one. And go get the apex on the left. Hug it. Turn more. Yes. Smooth gas in. Yep. Release it now. Hug it right. Keep a little bit of gas. Now get the apex here to the left. Start accelerating a bit more. Yes. Release it. Turn. A little bit of throttle right. Stay right. Brake now. Harder. Turn early. Okay, now you can make it straighter. It's okay. You could turn a little earlier though. All right, give it more gas to the right side. Upshift. Now brake, downshift. Stay in this gear. Turn later. And then now ease. Look through the window. Turn a bit more. Go get that green. Now smooth. Go back outside here. There's so much room on the right. Let's go. Gonna spin there. Oh, okay. So give it a little gas. You gotta turn a little sooner. Keep it going. Now brake. Hold it a little harder. Second green. Ease. Turn a bit more inside of the apex. Be patient on the gas. Now a little gas. There you go. Release it. Turn right. Hug it. And now smooth. Go get the apex on the left. Now progressive throttle. Left side. Release it. Turn a little bit of gas right. Stay here. Now brake. Brake. Okay, turn early. And now, I got you. Yeah, get the apex right to the left. Smooth gas in on the right side. Let's go. Brake now. Good. Go deep. And then here, I'll tell you when to shift. I got you. Now turn a bit more inside of the apex. Clip it. Not bad. Give a little bit more. Go back outside. That was perfect. Up. Left side. Up. Brake hard. Downshift. One more. So stay right here, ease the brake, now turn in. And now you have a better angle. And now smooth throttle. Now look forward, give it more. Brake. You see what I mean now? Yep. Hold the brakes, ease, turn a bit more now. Nice job. Hug it here. Okay, to the right, release the gas, hug it. Give a little gas now. On your left, upshift 1. And now give a little bit more. Now let's go. Release it, turn a little gas right. Come on, keep a little gas. Now brake, and look here, ease, turn sooner. And now look at that line, it's straighter, right here. You see what I mean? Yeah. All right, give it more gas, come on. Brake, downshift. Turn later, ease, start your turn now, get the apex. And now give a little bit more to the outside, right here. Downshift. One more. Good. Ease them off. You can start turning right. Now a little gas again. On your left side. Hug it. Hug it. Now give a little bit more. Brake. Hold it. Second green. Ease a little. Now turn left. Get to apex here. Not bad at all. Release it now. Turn. Give a little gas here. Go get that apex on the left. And now smooth gas. Give a little bit more. Release it. Turn a little bit of throttle here. Progressive throttle to the right. And now give it gas. I'll tell you to shift. I got you. Let's go. Keep it gas. It's okay. It's okay. And brake. It's because you're keeping your fingers behind them. Yeah. Downshift. Ease the brake. Now turn in. Get the apex. Yes. Hug it here. And now give it more. Go outside. That's clean. Up. Left side. Take care of your fingers. Up. Yes. Downshift. One more. Okay, ease off. Now start turning right. Now a little bit of throttle here left. Yep, hug it. Give a little bit more. More. Brake. Wait for the second now. Ease a little. Now you can start turning in. Hug it. Okay. Give a little bit more. Release it now. Hug it right. Now give a little gas now. Left. Yes. Progressive now. Release it. Turn a little bit of throttle right. And brake. Yes. Turn early. And now release. Go get that apex on the right. To the left. On the right side. Give it gas. Yes. Okay. Go deeper. Ease the brake. Look through the window. Go get that green. Yes. Hug it here. And now give it a little bit more. Go back outside. Up. Up. Brake. Yes. Downshift. Again. Okay. Ease. You can turn now. Now a little bit of throttle again. Left. Hug it. Give a little bit more now. Brake. Hold it. Hold it. Second one. Ease a little. Turn more. Yes. Get that apex here. Release it now. Hug it. Stay right. Just a little bit of throttle left. And progressive here. Release it. Turn a little bit of throttle right. And then brake. Hold it. Turn early. And now smooth gas on the right. This is much better. Upshift forward. Keep that throttle to the right side. Now brake again. Downshift. So go deeper here. Turn late. And now start turning in. Hug it inside. And now progressive throttle. Go up. I'm going to make you brake later there. Left side. Brake. Better. Downshift. One more. Turn in. Ease the brake. Now go get the apex left. Smooth gas in. Come on. Give it a little bit more. Brake again. You feel good?
Amazing.
All right. Ease. Turn more. You're doing better. Get that apex here. It's really good. That was really good right there. Release it now. Hug it. Stay right. Give a little throttle now. To your left. Keep it going. Release. Turn a little bit of throttle right. Then brake. Brake. And turn in. Now smooth gas right. Yes. Give it more now to the left. Keep it going. Up. Brake again. Downshift. One more. Okay. Ease now. Go get that apex left. Give a little bit of throttle here. Now start accelerating now. Go outside. Don't forget to relax. Take a deep breath. Brake hard. Down. Down. Ease off. Turn. Now give a little gas now. Left. Now give it more. Keep it going. Brake. Second one. Ease. Now turn in. Get the apex left. Nicely done. Release it. Hug it here. Yes. Now get the apex left. Now progressive. Let's go. Release it. Turn. A little gas here. Now brake. Hold it. Turn early. And now give a little gas on the right. Go get that apex here. More. Up. Brake now. Downshift. Okay, go deeper. Ease off. Look through the window. Go get that green. Hug it. And now progressive throttle. Go outside. Up. Brake. Down. Again. And turn. Ease now. Give a little throttle left. Hug it inside. And progressive again. Yes, stay here. Wait for the second. Ease off. Ease off. Now start turning left. Nicely done. Give a little bit more. Release it. Turn. Hug it. Give a little throttle now. On your left. And progressive. Release. Turn. A little gas here. And brake. Brake hard. Turn in. Ease. Yeah. You want to brake a little harder there.
Yeah.
All right. Give it gas left. Keep it going. Up. Brake again. Downshift. Okay. Go deeper. Turn late. Release the brake. Now start turning in. Get the apex. And now you can accelerate now. Go outside. Yeah. Brake. Down. Again. Turn in. Ease. Now a little bit of throttle left. Hug it. Give it a little bit more. Keep it. Brake. Second. Ease. Ease. Second. Now turn in. Go get that green. hug it here. Release now. Hug it right. Give it a little throttle now. Give it a little bit more. Release it. Turn. A little gas right. And brake. Yes. Now turn in. Give it a little gas again. On the right side. On your left.